you love me, even if it's fake.
What is up, guys? So today we have something a little bit different to what we normally do. This box, big box. It's super heavy. Nah, I'm joking, it's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. So what do I have in here? Foam, bunch of foam. So we're gonna be doing something a little different to the setup. So you can probably hear the sound. It's quite echoey. So what I got in that box is a bunch of foam, and I'm gonna place them across the TV over there. So when I'm sitting down and playing the game and I'm talking, it doesn't echo as much. I'll have a comparison, so before and after. So I'm gonna be sitting like this now, right? I'm gonna be sitting like this way. So I'm gonna be facing this one, and there's my webcam. Always have it covered, you know, Illuminati confirmed, they're always watching you, CIA and whatnot. So what it is, if I have the like foam over here and I'm looking directly at this way and the camera is picking it up, sorry, my mic is picking it up, then like there won't be as much echo. My voice would hit that and it won't come back, so it will just, the foam will just pick it up. And that's my goal for today. Hopefully it works. Go for like a good 30 pound. It's probably going to be like, this video is going to be like a review of the foam and if you should get it or not, and if it's even viable. Okay, I'll go and open up the box and get straight on it. One more thing, guys, before we move on to actually planning on how I will put it up. I'm gonna have to use something to stick it on the wall, right? So I bought this Everbuild Stick to Instant Spray Contact Adhesive. If you want to get this too, there it is. You should get it from Amazon. It comes in a week because of the lockdown. Yeah, it does bonds. It does laminates, wood, rigid, PVC, rubber, textiles, metals, and foam. Yeah. Now I'm going to go on to planning. Use a pencil and plan it out. Some different designs, or just straight up put it on. Alright guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing with you with one hand. Let's see how this goes. Come on. Oh no, I don't want to cut the foam. I went quite deep. I just hope I haven't cut the foam. Okay, let me see. Oh, don't cut towards yourself. Kind of forgot that. Okay. Yes. Ooh, hello. This looks cool. And yes. Okay, so I thought this is going to be vacuum, like, what's it called? Vacuum held or whatever it's called. So like less packaging. But these guys actually put it without any vacuum solution thingy. But I can't speak. I forgot the word. There we go. Alright, let's put this down, be a little safe, and let's check this out. Oh, so okay, so I believe I got this. Oh no, oh, I cut it too deep. Okay, wait. That shouldn't matter though, right? No, should be right, So I got a pack of 32, I believe. Let's get one little stack out. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. Come on, mate, get the hell out. There we go. So this looks kind of cool. Ooh. So that's the design, guys. That's the design I went for. I could, on the wall, I could either have it like this, or I could just have it like going like this, and that kind of looks ugly. Nah, that looks like, you know, them tins. No. This is much better. Yes. It's quite sparkly. Oh, it's kind of cool. Oh yeah, this is from the Pro-Acoustics. Yep. So this is my first time putting the adhesive on the foam. Hopefully it works properly. So guys, what I'm gonna do is something like, oh, That's crazy, guys. It's stuck to the wall quite nicely. Oh, that's not coming off. Alright guys, so I just put some protection over my carpet. I don't want it to ruin it. This adhesive is crazy strong, you know. And gloves. So I just got it on my hand and it was kind of hard to take it off. Okay guys, so this is my last two and I need three. So 1, 2, 3. So it would go like over here. You know, it would go like over here, but I only have 2 more. What I want to do is have, of course, these 3 covered just underneath the TV, but then go just one more right here. You know, just one more. So I just need 4, 5, 6, 7 more. That's what I need. I need 7 more. So I leave these 2 for now and have it like this just for now. I hope it looks nice because I haven't seen from far and I haven't seen the footage yet. But from here it looks alright. Not too bad. I have some extra foam here. Right, I had to cut them off. So where I hanged my TV, what's it called? The mount, right? The mount. So the mount was in the way, so I had to cut some stuff off. So what I did was just like made an outline with the knife. So like I made like an outline with the knife like this, and then I was able to rip it off. It's quite easy to rip it off, and as long as you make an outline, it comes off in the nice outline that you've made for it. But first, before I do the test, I'm gonna clean all of this up. I'm gonna take my gloves off, clean off all the extra glue on my skin, which is actually irritating, guys. So if you want, either wear a long sleeve or have a long glove. You know, I'm kind of proud of that. I like the little design. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up, like nah, they're all cross hatch. So off to the test after I clean up. One more thing, guys, make sure you definitely put something down on the floor, otherwise your carpet is gonna get destroyed. It sticks to the carpet really well. So the adhesive, the glue. If you got like wood floor, maybe it might not be as bad, but please, if you're gonna do this, put something down and use some gloves. Yeah, that's it. It's quite easy to put it on. It's just glue. Alright guys, so I figured out what I wanted to do with this little gap over here, and I had 2 more foam, and what I decided to do was just cut them up. So like let me get this up. So for example, this one is a long one, so I'm gonna do over here is like have it like this, but like obviously behind the TV, have it like this, and these ones, they're gonna go like this way. So these 2, I've halved it and made it into 3 pieces, because that's how much I would need to you know, fit it in over here. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the result at the end. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished and I got this bit covered up, and let me pull the TV out a little bit, 1 second. Okay, now remember to see I cut it up, and so like only the inside isn't covered. Yeah, I might get one more set just to cover up like one more line over here. So I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I need 7 just over here, just one lower, because over here you can still see the whites. I don't know about finishing the rest of the wall over here, and to be honest, since I'm going to be sitting here and facing this way across my room, I need to have some foam over here as well. But other than that, I think it's all good. Thank you for watching guys, peace out. Wait, no, I need to do the test. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. This is without the foam. 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. This is with the foam. 1 2 3. Final thing guys, before we end the video, I said this, you wouldn't need a mask or anything. I don't think you need a mask. However, you do need to crack open a window all the way. It leaves like a very bad stink. So yeah, have the windows open all the way if you're planning to do this as well. And just stay safe with the adhesive. It's very strong. Wear gloves, and yeah. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this, it took me a long time to make it. Please subscribe down below, like and comment and share the video. Tell me what else you want to see. I'm starting a new series, a vlog series, like what I'm doing, maybe how I'm dealing with lockdown, whatever. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.